News has identified one of the two victims in Wednesday's fatal crash in Millwoods. Merrick Takash joining us live now. And Merrick, it appears the 56-year-old man was a prominent member of the city's soccer community.
Nariman, his name was Fiore Manzanillo, and he played in the Victoria Masters Soccer League. His coach is describing him as a fun-loving guy who is known for being a spark plug for the team. The league posted this picture in memoriam on their website and social media pages. It reads in part, "Someone so special can never be forgotten." We spoke with his coach and friend of over 20 years, John Contessa, this afternoon. He said Manzanillo was a great teammate and an incredible dad.
He was a jokester. He was just always a smile on his face, just a fun guy to be around. Everybody remembers Fiore. You meet him once and you remember him forever.
Manzanillo died Wednesday afternoon in a 5-vehicle crash in Millwoods. Police say a 90-year-old driver was driving at a high rate of speed when she went through a red light at 50th Street, slamming into Manzanillo's vehicle. Both she and Manzanillo died on scene. CTV News has obtained dash cam video of the crash and a warning: the video may be graphic to some. A bouquet of flowers was placed at the intersection where the crash took place. Several neighbors I spoke with earlier today described the scene as loud and horrific. The intersection was closed off to traffic for roughly 8 hours while police investigated. No charges have been laid as the driver died in the crash. Police are waiting for the medical examiner results, which will likely come next week. Merriman?
Thank you, Merrick.